Warren Buffett just invested $1 billion in crypto. Crypto. That's a double dog dairy, a double daily Warren Buffett. That's 2 days in a row. We talked about, I think it was $1 billion Activision.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right before the deal.
He's just throwing billies all around.
Well, you're Warren Buffett, you throw a billy. You just make sure you throw it in the investments because you keep the habit of you just get the Egg McMuffin every morning. So you got all these billies to begin with because it's just I'm trying to remember from that documentary. If it was a good day, the market was up, it's an Egg McMuffin. If the market's down,
I don't know this.
If the market is up, it's an Egg McMuffin. If the market is down, it's just something worse, a muffin or something.
Just a plain muffin.
Yeah, it's like he has two different. I'm screwing it up right now, but
breakfast.
Check out the thing. It's there's a little tiny bonus if the market's up versus down on his way to work on a drive-through over there in Omaha. All right, Berkshire Hathaway made its crypto investment public with an SEC filing earlier this week. It revealed that Buffett's company had purchased $1 billion in shares of Nubank, a digital bank based in Brazil and the largest of its kind in Latin America. Nubank is a so-called neobank. Neo means new. A type of bank that operates outside of the rules of the traditional banking system. Unlike most banks, Nubank welcomes cryptocurrency and even offers products such as Bitcoin exchange, traded funds, ETFs. So this is not exactly the type of crypto investment people might think. It's not like he didn't hop on Coinbase and just give me $1 billion of those. Yeah. Give me $1 billion of those Bitcoins. $1 billion of those biddies. I don't know. That's not what it was. Yeah. It's a roundabout way to sort of invest in crypto without going directly into crypto. There's a little bit of a barrier there. But they do things like this.
That's the ETF portion?
No, I'm saying by investing in a bank that embraces crypto.
Oh, I see.
You say, in the future, let them take care of that portion, and we'll just bet on their success because of what they're doing, and it's their area of expertise. Berkshire's chairman and CEO has not refrained in the past from calling cryptocurrency rat poison and an unproductive asset that has no unique value at all. Yeah, so he's been a little anti-crypto, but he's been obviously very successful when it comes to investments. So people take what he says and look at his actions in a very granular way. They go investigate those things. And so this is going to be big news regardless, even if it's not directly crypto. It is a bank that loves the crypto.